on Facebook, please take screenshots from here, post it on your Facebook pages, and tag your school, Ramratna International School official page.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanka ma'am, I think I'm having some technical issues because of which you may have to conduct the Q&A with Sonal because I may get disconnected at some point in time. Uh,
No
so
problem, sir.
right now I think I'm doing fine. So if I have to start off, I would say welcome Sonal, welcome to this session of Back to Roots at RRIS. And my first question to you would be, uh, which institute are you in currently, and which course are you pursuing now after passing out from RRIS?
Sir, currently I am a student in Amity University and I am pursuing my bachelor's in business administration in entrepreneurship.
Okay, that's wonderful. So, any specific thought that you had when you selected this course, or you just went with intuition, or did you consult parents, or did you consult some seniors, or uncles, aunties who would have guided you?
Sonal, we can't hear you.
I think it's a
Sonal, we lost.
issue, ma'am.
Sonal is still connected and she's on unmute. Sonal, can you hear us? Sonal.
So now you can put your
Yes,
turn off your video. We will be able to hear you properly, I guess.
when my
Yes, Sonal, you can just keep your camera off. That's not an issue because that's taking up a lot of bandwidth. That could be an issue. So, were you able to hear the question, Sonal? The question was, how did you choose this particular stream? Did you look out for some guidance or was it intuition? How did you go for this?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sonal, could you hear the question?
No, ma'am. Right now, what was said, I couldn't hear that.
No problem, Sonal. We'll repeat for you. The question was, how did you choose this course? Did you go by your intuition or did you take some professional guidance or did you listen to some relatives, friends, seniors? We would like to know, how did you go into this subject and this stream?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, the thing was like I wasn't able to cope up with my science since I chose science after my 10th. So, after I got my percentage, I was like, I was thinking, like, what should I do in future? So, somewhere I had that thing in my mind that I want to run my dad's business. I want to take it ahead. I want to expand it more. So, I started, exploring more about it, researching more about it. What are the needs? What do I need to learn to know my business completely? So that's how I came across BBA because it has a large number of, various opportunities ahead. So I thought, why not this?
That's excellent. At a very young age, you realize that you want to get into your father's business. That's great. So can we
Yes,
have a next
ma'am.
question for her, please? Priyanka ma'am, are you going to
Yes,
ask the
yes,
next?
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. So, Sonal, what books you have been reading of late until now? Like, what kind of books you really like to read?
So, like before quarantine, I used to read novels, but during quarantine, my interests have been changed. I have started exploring some different stuff like knowing more about paranormal society and all things.
Oh, oh,
I mean,
Yeah, so currently no books,
the
but
things.
yeah, I don't know. I just got
Yes.
that thing got my attention. Like I should explore it. What is it about? So yeah.
oh, that's great. So, have you been pursuing any sports when you were trained in the school? Any sports that you are still pursuing?
So during school time, I used to participate in each and every sport. So there was no stop to my legs and hands. I used to just jump in all the sports. So after like taekwondo was my best because I was trained whole day long for that thing. So after my 10th, since I was in Ramratna campus only, so I was trained by Shaji sir, where I also added one more sports that was wrestling. And yeah, I did that too again. And then now in Amity University, I'm continuing my athletics and
Okay,
taekwondo too.
okay. So, as of now, which belt you have got?
Here, Priyanka, I just want to add here, Sonal was one of the best sports persons that we had. She
Oh,
has won several laurels in Taekwondo and Judo for the school, if I'm not wrong, Sonal. And she was also declared as one of the best
Thank you, ma'am.
persons for a particular year.
oh,
Yeah,
wow.
and
That's
that you
great.
have
That means a lot.
So, Sonal, have you got which belt you have got till now in Taekwondo? So, or you have already completed the course?
No, it was never like since till the time I was in school, we used to give the belt exams, but we were more focused on, since I have seen very less people going for fights with a white belt, and I was
Mhm.
glad and I was feeling lucky that my sir chose me and my colleagues. We had white belt and still we used to fight with the black belt, so that was one of
Oh,
the thing.
wow.
Like it was the glorious moment for all of us. Like that kind of training we used to get every day.
That's very inspiring.
really.
Yes.
So, how about music? So, do you like to listen to the music? Like you
I
like to
do.
read?
I
Okay.
do. Yeah, I like a lot of Punjabi music because I'm more into Punjabi sounds and too much energetic.
Oh, okay. So, basically, a party songs.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, what are your short-term and long-term goals in your life? Like, do you have any short-term goals, or just put a light on that? Any short-term goals and long-term goals that you have planned?
Till the time I was in school, my opinions used to change. I used to jump. I used to have no goal actually. But now when I'm in a situation like now when I'm growing up, I know that things are gonna get tough ahead. So I need to, keep a long-term goal. So short-term goal never counts for me. So I
Mhm.
am nowadays, planning more about future, you know, like how things are gonna happen in future. So I have to work according to that. Yeah.
Okay, then that's great. So, how was your journey when after the school, after your 10th, like you pursued, I guess, CBSE 12th in RRB, and if I'm not wrong. So,
Yes.
how was your
Yes.
journey after 10th after leaving RRI?
So after leaving RRI, since I was in the Ramratna campus itself,
Mm-hmm.
so same things like I wanted to be in RRIs because I wanted to continue with my sports for more 2 years at least till I'm not in college because I won't get that much of sports activities, opportunities. So So yeah, so that was one of the main reason to join RRVM too. So the life was same, just a hostel life, same
Okay.
activities. Like we used to have fun, friends. Yeah.
Mhm. So how will you differentiate the journey in the school and post the school? Like in college and the school, how will you differentiate these two different phases in your life?
Ma'am, now if I say this, it's like in school, you you were like recognized by the teachers. In
Mhm.
university, there are thousands of students.
Mhm.
In that, getting that one recognition is very tough. So you have to toil hard. You have to work hard, literally, to showcase your talent. And in
Mhm.
school, if you perform the best, you were picked up. But in university, you have 10,000 students having the same talent. You have to be unique in that one thing. So that's how school and college life is different. In school,
Okay.
everything was done by the teachers, our parents, but in college life, you have to do it on all your own.
All
There
year.
is nobody to help you.
Correct. Correct. And any new skills that you have acquired after the school, like any changes, something that you have.
Most of the skills,
Mhm.
yeah, yeah. So most of the skills that I never came across, RRS gave me all the opportunities, to be very honest.
Mhm.
Like from sports to debate to MUNs, every single thing. I now when I've come in college, I've seen students coming from SSC board, CBSE board. They didn't had that opportunity or that platform to go for MUNs, MUNs, and debates and all. So they used to tell us like, how do you all know about MUNs, this that. So we used to be like, we had that opportunity during our school time. So yeah, that's how we came across all that thing. So yeah, it's just that you learn how you look at other people and you learn how they think. That's one thing that I inculcate in my personal every. So yeah.
Great. Great. So school have trained you in all the different areas which are required when you leave the school.
True.
Okay. Do you feel that your school experience at Ramratna International School has given you an edge over your peers, and any specific areas where you feel that you have RRI's edge?
I guess yes. Like the one thing, like we were the one since we were the senior most students, so everything was new to us.
Mm-hmm.
So something that we used to choose used to inspire our peers. So when we like, I'll take the example of MUN.
Mm-hmm.
Never in RRIs before us anyone has been for MUN. So since our batch participated for the first time, I guess that is something that inspired our peers, not only by me but even by my colleagues and all. Since we took the initiative, so the school started offering these opportunities ahead, and students started taking interest in it. So yeah, so that is something which had the
Yes,
edge here.
Sonal, you are so right. I would also like you to know that since that time, the school started its own RRIS months, and we have done four
MUN as well.
RRIS months,
Yes, I have heard a lot about it.
part of it. And your batch definitely was a pioneer in so many ways. And seniors always inspire the juniors. So your batch was one of the best in every sense. Whether it was sports, it is other co-curricular activities. So thank you for mentioning that these skills which your batch started, it has gone down to your juniors. And I'm very happy to share with you that your juniors are also excelling. We are very proud of all the alumni and all the current students and all the future students. Yes, please go ahead,
Yes,
Prem.
ma'am. Very happy to hear that.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And anyways, ma'am, the first batch they always have that pride that what they have started, and the school is taking it to another level now. The kids are coming up with more new ideas. They are following their seniors what they have started in the school. So, Sonal, what learnings from school do you think have helped you sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
Being fearless while speaking is one thing that always helped me out, because when I go out now, like in colleges, you have like after my 12th also, I was supposed to give an interview for my admission. So there was a whole 16 people, 16 faculties sitting in front of me, and that fear, that thing used to always be like, how will I speak in front of 10 people? But after, having that exposure through our school time, it has always been easy for me to tackle, interviews, debates, public speaking, everything. So that is one thing that has always helped me, which is essential in today's world, to be very honest. You have to be fearless while speaking and raising your own voice.
Yeah, that's great to know that. So, do you think that unique school happy practices that we follow in the school, did they help you?
Pardon, ma'am?
We follow school happy school practices like everyday celebration. So, these practices, did these practices
Okay.
help you?
Ma'am, I don't think so. We had this in our time, like everyday
Yeah,
celebration.
so those
Have
that
Yeah.
practice
Okay,
was started after her batch. It was not
oh,
in the very first year, the
okay.
first batch. So we
Yeah.
would like you to know, Sonal, that there are so many new practices and initiatives we started as the school progressed from one year to another. And there are a number of happy practices which we follow. And we just wanted to know your opinion. What do you think if the school just does not focus on academics but looks at creating a happy environment for all the stakeholders, ensuring that the children feel that there is a conducive, happy environment in the school? What's your view about it? Do you think the school should only be centers of academic learning, or should it make feel children happy? What's your view on it?
Okay. So, ma'am, if a school is happy, obviously every child will be, willing to come to school and study. So that is vice versa thing. If you are happy, you'll learn it. If it's only study, students will get frustrated at one point. And
And
yeah,
they
so
will
that
not
is one nice initiative that is at our school.
That's
know.
great to hear from you.
So that is like a motivation for the kids, they feel encouraged when they go back to school. So there is a happy celebration today in the school. Like if I take the example of Marvelous Monday, we get the maximum number of attendance. So they do not want to miss the dance in the morning,
Okay.
which happens every week. Okay, so
Right.
my next,
So we used to have once in a week.
yes, so it's called Marvelous Monday, where all the students, teachers, and staff,
Okay.
we all gather in the assembly hall and we all dance together. So, my next question to you, Sonal,
Right.
is what are your best memories of school days?
It's playing
You can share
football
one or two.
after every lecture.
You can share one or two.
We used to Okay, so the thing used to be like we used to wait for every games lecture, swimming lectures, to be very honest. So, like, it used to be weekly, so we all used to get so pumped up before one day prior only. We used to be like, yes, tomorrow we have swimming, let's go, let's go. What will you be doing? What will you do? How we'll play in pool? So that was one thing, like, having fun with our friends, and then obviously school picnics were one of the best things, because that was the time we used to get to know our teachers, and then some, like, some of our batchmates whom we never used to talk in classroom, but of course while we go on a picnic or somewhere, we do start, getting along and talking to each other. So yeah, that were the best memories for me.
Great. So, if I have to ask you, which were your two favorite subjects when you were in school?
First was biology. I used to love biology a lot, and second used to be English. Yeah.
Okay.
So, as you have mentioned biology, we have your biology teacher here, I believe Smita ma'am has taught you biology, and she is now the vice principal also of the school after you left. Vice principal ma'am is
Oh,
here with us. Smita ma'am, if you are there, could you please unmute
Yes,
and
ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
how does
Namaste,
it
everyone.
must say how does it feel when you hear that the subject you taught to Sonal is one of her favorite subjects?
Ma'am, I really feel very proud. I feel extremely proud of all my students, and I feel so happy that my subject was liked by my students, and they still remember that biology was one of their favorite subjects.
That's
yes,
really the
ma'am.
biggest reward for us. I agree.
Yes.
So congratulations to you. And yes, Sonal, you
And,
can.
and the English teacher. I don't know who was the English teacher.
Samina ma'am was the
Samina
English
ma'am.
teacher.
Samina ma'am was the English
Yes.
teacher. Yeah.
Samina ma'am is not here with us.
Okay.
Yes, Sonal,
So
you would like to continue your answer?
So yeah, biology and English. Biology because I used to draw a lot in my notebook, in the blank page, all the diagrams, and I used to get good, very good. So for that thing, I used to draw a lot. So my book used to look good. And English because ma'am used to show us English movies, cartoon movies to enhance our English language. So yeah.
I'm so happy that you remember the kind of encouragement and the methods that the teachers used. And the teachers
Yes, ma'am.
attending the session here would be happy to see the impact of little encouragement that it has on children when they
Yes.
read good and very good.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, to be very honest, I have preserved those books.
oh,
I got
wow.
so many
Wow,
good books.
Wow. Even actually, Sonal, even we were, I mean, I personally, I was also not aware that those motivational comments or remarks from the teachers really mattered so much. It's really amazing.
So,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sonal, my next question is related to the same thing that just ma'am spoke about. So, can you tell me the two teachers that you like the most, or I would say that had an impact on you while you were in the school? So, name any two teachers. If you want to say more than
Two
that,
teachers.
so please feel free.
Ma'am, honestly, two teachers impossible because like our
Yes.
batch had one of the best connections with each and every teacher. We used to
So
talk,
it's
we
a big
used to share everything.
so it's a big round of applause for all the teachers who were there and teaching you.
Yes, ma'am. Literally a big applause because every time we had a problem related to either subject, school, or something out, every teacher was very helpful. They used to never say no or they used to think something. They were just ready to help us. So yeah, that was one thing that I always appreciate about RRIs. Teachers were friendly to
I think that
students.
is the best.
I,
That is the best comment. Any school
yes.
is wonderful if its teachers
Ma'am,
are approachable.
I'm the second. I can vouch for the same.
Right. I can too.
So, who is your role model in the society, Sonal, whom you look up to?
Ma'am, for me, like I won't give a very big answer, but honestly, for me, my parents are one of the biggest role models because
That
whenever I look at them, I know I've seen their struggle, I've heard their struggle. They share with us. They're very much open about it. So whenever we are like me and my brother, we are sitting, so they always share it. Like, you don't do things like this, which will put you in trouble. So yeah, obviously my parents are firstly, my parents are my role model. After that, like I have many people who are my aspirational inspiration, who give me inspiration to do things. So yeah.
yeah, that
Sonal,
parents
I remember your parents. I've met them so many times while you were in school. They are an amazing set of parents any child can have. Very simple, humble, and the kind of pride they feel for you. And
Yes,
they've always
ma'am.
supported you, and they have always
Always,
seen
ma'am.
good news for you. And I think that has
Yes.
shaped your personality so well. You should
Yes,
be
ma'am. They never
proud
say
and
no. They
happy to have such parents. And
Yes.
please convey my regards to them.
Surely, ma'am.
Good. So, Sonal, the next question to you is, what is your advice for budding juniors in the school?
Ma'am, I didn't get this. Like, what does that mean?
What is your advice for budding juniors in the school? Like, what do you feel? How can you guide your juniors if they would like to connect with you for some guidance?
Okay.
How, like, what do you feel?
Any message for your junior students in the school? Any message that you would like to
Okay.
give?
Ma'am, I'll just say that use, like, take advantage of each and everything that the school is providing them now,
Mhm.
because that is really gonna help them to that is really gonna help them to shape their personality and literally help them to understand how things and how world is outside the school, because in school we don't really know how the things are going around the world, but once you are out, you will see the problems coming and you have to be ready. You just can't run, or you just can't give excuse. One thing that I've genuinely learned from school is not, you know any if there is any problem, don't give an excuse. Just
Yes.
be honest and real. That will be the best. Giving an excuse, lying will just end up with problems and you'll be in trouble. That's all.
Yes.
That's a
So, yeah,
great
one thing.
advice. A very deep insight from a young girl,
Yes.
Sonal.
So
Thank
it's
you.
something that we,
Ma'am,
we all can learn from her.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because I have faced it. Like for little things in school time, we used to lie to our parents or teachers just to get that advantage. But then when you come out and if you do that one thing, you'll really understand what a big problem you are inviting in your life.
And then there is no
So, yeah.
one who, like the teachers guide you in the school. So there is no one when you go to college, they are there to guide you.
Exactly,
The
ma'am.
teachers do it in the school. So, what do you think? How can the alumni or ex-students can support the school? Any suggestions from your side?
Ma'am, like the initiative, like now the school has made a WhatsApp group. Like social platforms are the only one place where we all can be connected, where we all can have the updates. So that is one of the best things. And meetings like this, I guess everyone will be in contact. Everyone will have that one-on-one conversation with
Mhm,
teachers.
mhm.
And like last year, we had some event in our school where we planted trees. So that was one of the a good initiative where we all alumni were called. It was glad that I was feeling happy that my school remembers me and they call us on such occasions. So that is one nice initiative that school has taken to
Mhm.
keeping the alumni in contact, and this is one again.
Okay. So if I ask you the same question in other way, like how can the school support ex-students? So what do you think in both the ways? Like if students they need support,
Um,
how?
Ma'am, I guess if a student needs a support or if there is anything, students, like we have that much of, you know, what do we call? We have that much of, what do we call?
Connection with the school and with the teachers? Do you
Yeah.
mean the
So we, yeah,
attachment?
we have that much of advantage that we can, just connect with our teachers either through, if not a call or something, but at least one message on either FB or school. Even school page is one place where we can just, you know, ask. We can get our teachers, email IDs or something, and we can just
So
connect it from there as well.
So maybe a comfort zone which I feel the teachers are as they have created for the students. They have made them comfortable so they can approach anytime to the teachers even after leaving the school.
Exactly, ma'am.
I hope this is what
Yes, ma'am.
you wanted to convey, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
So the next question is going to be very tough for you. What is the one thing if you have to tell about the school that you miss the most? So one thing you
One
would like,
thing.
yes. So as I said earlier, it's going to be very tough for you to you mention one thing, as I have asked you those many questions. So one thing we would like to know from you that you miss the most in the school.
I guess none of the school, like no school around the world has ever had breakfast with principal ma'am. So that's
Yes,
one thing
I would
I miss
applaud
the
for this.
most.
Yes, I have never seen in my life. I've never heard the kids they have breakfast with principal ma'am.
So
It
that was
is
one of the things we used to have.
enjoyable for me, Sonal. And I remember having breakfast with you. I still remember it.
We were literally scared like how we will talk, how formal we have to be. But ma'am was so cool and calm, and we were like, okay, fine. Even we have to be like that.
Hmm.
So that is one thing that I miss the most. Like outside, you don't have a breakfast or lunch with your dean or someone, but RRIS had gave us that opportunity to have breakfast with our principal ma'am.
Wow,
Yeah.
I'm so happy to hear this that you remember it. And this is your best memory. I'm
Ma'am,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
glad.
so, ma'am, I have seen students when they enter your office for breakfast, they are like, nervous, I would say, or maybe I have seen anxiety in the kids. But when they come out of your office, they are so happy, they are cheerful, they are excited, they have had breakfast with you.
And then you should get into my office and see the big smile on my face as well.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
enjoy listening.
Yes. Okay. So give a chance. Would you want to be come back to school for a day? I wish you will definitely say. I think you will say yes for sure.
Of course, ma'am. I miss school life. I literally miss school life.
So after all this things gets normal, so we can plan a reunion when we'll call all our alumni to school once again. Maybe when we have a vacation because everybody will be free at that time. So what do you think?
Surely, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm ever ready because I really miss school. I am done with college. I want to go back to school. I want to have fun. I want to study. I want to participate and, have a nice, smooth life.
Okay. So, Sonal, what another thing I would like to say is you don't really need an invitation. So, whenever you feel like, you can just come to school any day. Whenever you feel like, you are feeling very excited that I have to go to school. So, you're most welcome in the school.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. That means a lot.
Yeah. So, what are the three things that you feel school can do better that what we are doing now? So, any new additions or maybe any, improvisation that would you like to bring in our school? What we do it now?
Ma'am, so I have been, seeing the post of our school, like after we passed out from our school, there were international trips going on, international tour studies, then students going, I guess, USA for IIMAN. So I've seen all of that. So I guess school is doing good in its own way. I've seen school
Any,
upgrading a lot more.
yes. So, anything that we can start a new startup or any addition to it, what we are following right now?
Um,
So maybe you
I
think
think
about it, or maybe later when it comes to your mind,
exactly,
you can
ma'am.
share it with us.
Surely, ma'am.
So the school is planning a lot of initiatives for alumni. Will you be willing to be a part of those? Like
Of
we
course,
are
ma'am.
it's a base, so we are
Yes,
planning for that.
yes, ma'am. Surely.
Great.
If I could ask the teachers who are here, some of them are new, some of them have taught Sonal. So those who have taught Sonal, if they could just unmute and speak a line at least to Sonal and to us,
Yes,
it would be
because
great to hear.
yeah, because I am done with the question I have. which to ask Sonal. So teachers, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask questions to Sonal, or maybe a small communication with her. Thank you.
No,
Namaste,
Sonal.
ma'am. This is Usha here. Please, Smita, ma'am, you can go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Usha ma'am. Namaste, Sonal. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste,
Sonal,
ma'am.
Sonal, we are very proud of you. We have always liked your quality of being a very fearless girl, very confident and bindas kind of attitude, and very open, always to express your views very confidently, but without crossing your lines or, just sorry, 1 minute. I'm sorry for that. So we always
Okay.
loved your attitude of being so fearless, confident, very open in expressing your views, but always, maintaining the respect of teachers, giving that respect to the teachers, to the school, valuing the school. You had that belongingness towards the school. So you were one of the best students of our school. We are very, very proud of you, and we wish you all the best in whatever you do in your life. And
Thank
be
you
in
so
touch
much,
with us
ma'am.
always.
Surely,
Bless you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Namaste, this is Usha here.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, no, I know, like, that is the, I would say, the plus point in our school, even though we have not taught, like, not taught Sonal, but I know each and every student of our school. And we're the first batch, we knew each one of them very well. We had good connection. And it was really nice listening to you, Sonal. You were responsible when you were in school. But when I am hearing you, I'm listening to you talk, I make out that you have become more responsible. Just like, you are speaking so well. So I like, to add on to what Smita ma'am said, yes, you were a student of our school, like, you were responsible, but then now I see that when you're speaking, you so lovely, like, confident answers. So all the best for your future, and it's really very nice to see you all grow up so well, and out into the world, to face your future. So all the best to you. Very proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
And
you.
Sonal, one more thing I would like to add here, that your batch
Yes, ma'am.
was and is still the closest to our heart, because you are the
Yes,
first batch
very true.
of RIS. And we have grown as teachers with you all. We actually
That
became
means a lot.
teachers because the way we moved ahead with you and the way your batch supported us. So your batch is the closest to our heart, and it will always be, always be.
That means a lot, ma'am. That means a lot.
I would like if Dhanashri and Prajakta would also speak. I'm sure that they know Sonal well.
Namaste, ma'am. This is Anashri. Hello, Sonal. Namaste.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Yeah, I'm very happy to see you here, listening to you. When I was listening to you, all those memories, started flashing up in front of my eyes. I just would like to say about one memory. If you
Yes,
remember when
ma'am.
you all were in grade 8, your class teacher was absent and we all were planning for your assembly. I was not your
Yes,
class teacher, but we
ma'am.
were planning your class assembly, and that was really a great fun with you all, and your whole batch was really very great batch. And
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
I completely agree with Smita ma'am. You have very great leadership qualities, and keep it up with all these things, and all the best. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Prajakta ma'am. Prajakta
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Yes.
I'm there.
Yes.
Sonal, I still remember you. You've always been bubbly and very confident about whatever you did. And now you sound very matured also while you are giving your interview. And I was just listening to you very keenly, the way you are talking. Uh, you are sounding very matured, and I know you will touch the sky with flying colors. I know that you will give your
Thank you,
best.
ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope you
Thanks.
remember me.
Of course, ma'am, I do.
Okay, okay.
So nice to hear these words from our teachers who know the children so well and the qualities that they have observed in the children. Yes, Sonal, we are very proud of you and of all our children. We are so happy to see you
Thank you, ma'am.
as a mature, intelligent, humble girl. Wish you all the very best. Before we
Thank you so
end,
much,
I would
ma'am.
like if some of our alumni who are here today with us, that is Vishesh, Yashvi, if Gopal, if they could also unmute and just say a little hi, hello, and how they feel about this initiative of the School of Connecting with the Alumni. Gopal,
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
hello Gopal, how are you doing?
Great, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, Buddha. So nice to hear from you. So, what do you think of this initiative where we are going to connect with one child um, frequently? It would be conducted where we'll interview one child, one alumnus.
Yes, ma'am. It's actually great because all the other students can also get to know what other their peers are achieving right now and what they have felt when they were in school.
Right. So, all the very best to you. We look forward to having a session soon with you. And before you unmute, I would like to know what you are doing now, Gopal.
I'm doing chartered accountancy with the BCom.
That's
I'm
great.
cleared CA foundation and right now doing CA intermediate, second level.
You were always a bright student, and we wish you all the very best.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
God
ma'am.
bless. So, can we have
Ma'am,
the next?
I'd like to highlight something over here that while I don't know Sonal very well because I am the newest addition to RRIS, but just the initiative where she was the first one who said that yes, I'll go ahead and I'll take this up, take this interview. Something new that starts, opening up to that is a really commendable thing. It takes a lot of courage and I would say maturity to actually say yes to something new that someone is trying. So I'm really happy that she's a girl and she's the first one who's started this session. And I wish her all the very best. And I look forward to having other sessions with Gopal, Vishesh, and all of our students. And I think this platform would also help reconnect a thought of ideas, the brains that together at RRIS a few years back come together again. There's a lot of thought exchange that happens, and there's something really wonderful comes out of it.
Right.
Thank you so much, Sonal.
That shows
Thank you so
Sonal's
much, ma'am.
leadership qualities. The first thing
Yes,
is
ma'am.
always remembered. So you have
So I was calling all the alumni as per the registration. So Sonal was one of them, the first one who filled up the registration form. So I was about to mention that at the end of the day, but Amit sir did it. Thank you so much, Amit sir, for this. So Sonal, a big round of applause for you, and thank you so much for being the first.
yeah, that's
Thank you,
true.
ma'am.
Okay.
Always.
Steve and Yashvi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Yashvi. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, ma'am. It was very delightful to listen to Sonal after such a long time.
Right.
So, and about her life because I haven't been in touch with her since a very long time, but now finally I've come to know about her so much. So it feels good to listen about so many people and how her life is. And I think we should carry on this activity further as well with other students so that
I
we
agree.
come to know about
And
everybody.
Certainly.
thank you for being with us on the very
Yes.
first talk with Sonal. And we look forward to having you soon.
Uh,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I would want everybody to switch on their cameras so that we can take a selfie. a distant selfie, a remote selfie of everybody. I'll click a screenshot. Everybody can take their own screenshots so that we have a happy picture with all of us.
Yes.
Please activate your cameras.
And
Vishesh, we would like you to switch on your camera. Vishesh,
Yeah,
Vishesh,
Maya
and
ma'am, Nisha ma'am, Shala ma'am.
I think everybody could hear.
yeah,
So everyone, if you are comfortable, please switch on the camera. And meanwhile, Vishesh, we would like to hear from you. How are you doing? And what do you think of this initiative?
Hi, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
I'm doing great, ma'am.
Great. So we would like to know exactly what you're doing and what do you think of this initiative of connecting with our alumni?
This actually this initiative is very fascinating, and actually it's one of the ways we get to know our juniors and our seniors. Also, we can now talk to our teachers like with open-heartedly and all. And I think this is a pretty great initiative overall.
That's great. Look forward to having you here in the Back to Roots program soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It was
All
my
the best.
pleasure, ma'am.
God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And before there is a formal vote of thanks by Miss Priyanka, I want to thank Mr. Amit and Miss Priyanka for taking this initiative forward and making it a success. Congratulations on the very first talk.
Thank you, ma'am.
Last but not the least, the most important person to whom the day is dedicated, that is Miss Sonal. So God bless you, Sonal, and thank you
Thank
for
you
being
so
here.
much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I would like to thank all of you for joining us, and special thanks to Sonal who joined us, given us our precious time. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much, Sonal, for taking out your time and chatting with us.
Most welcome, ma'am.
Yes. And thank you all the teachers and all the RIS members for joining us for this talk. Thank you so much, ma'am, for I don't know. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonal. Thank you, all the students. Keep it up. Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Can you hear me? Amit sir, can you hear me?
Hello, Amit sir.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Shela? Hello, Shela?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay.
Shela, what is your opinion of this talk and this initiative?
I have always felt that the kind of bond that we have been creating with our students is really different. And if I were an alumni, I would have really felt wonderful coming back, talking to the teachers, getting in touch with juniors and classmates. I mean, it's wonderful. It's a lovely feel good factor for the person himself or herself. So it's wonderful, ma'am.
That's so good to hear from you. You being one of the members who joined after this batch left, long after this batch left. But yes, everyone can feel the connection. So thank you
Right,
for
right.
sharing your opinion, Shela. And we would like to post about it on Facebook. I think we can stop the recording, Amit sir. We can stop the recording, and when we post, also we will have to edit. We can't put this part.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
will have to take the formal interview part.
Yes, I will connect with sir, ma'am.
So thanks to everybody who was here, all of you, including Nisha. I can see at the moment. Thank you, Priyanka. You did a good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for having us
It was
here.
really great to hear Sonal. The way she was speaking, the maturity. Hats off. Actually, the way she was speaking from the bottom of her heart, which I can really feel. I want because all the way I don't know her. I am really new to her, so but I'm really glad to know that our school is taking such a good initiative to create such a good bond between our students, ma'am. It's
That is
really
why the school is a happy school. You have
definitely,
to
ma'am. I agree. I really agree with this.
because the biggest factor affecting happiness is relationship,
Yes,
and
Definitely.
relationship is the important topic. Thanks to all of you. Have a great day.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Amit sir.